How to search for a cellular network manually on Infinix Smart 8. So let's get started. Follow the step and don't skip anything. You're just going to the setting menu, and then you can go to the SIM and network setting, and now you can tap on the network cellular like this, and then go to the choose network and disable the automatically selected box like this, and so there will be searching the network on your place. And here you just have to choose the network that suits your SIM card. Okay, your phone has been registered on the network. Okay guys, so just like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.